Hello, welcome to Be Natural with Shani. This is currently really trending on TikTok. It's for your hair. So I'm gonna open it and see what is inside. A whole line of Mielle's products, hair care products. Due to stress, I lost a lot of my hair, and on TikTok there was these hair care products that were trending, and I thought I'd order it and try it out. So let's get right into it. So first up, we have the Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. It is infused with biotin and encourages growth. Apply a dime-sized amount to your hands and massage on wet hair for rich lather. Rinse thoroughly, repeat, and follow with rosemary and mint strengthening hair mask. So this has no parabens, no sulfates, no paraffins, no mineral oil, no DEA, and it is not tested on animals. So this is the Mielle shampoo. The story behind Mielle's is it was created by Monique Rodriguez, a registered nurse, wife and mother of two girls who desired to share her family healthy hair journey using products with organic ingredients to achieve amazing results. She knew the importance of knowing what is in your products and wanted to create healthier options for the whole family. The result is a brand that delivers to you natural and effective products. So that is the shampoo. Following the Mielle shampoo, you're supposed to use the Mielle hair mask, and it's in a tub packaging. After shampooing with rosemary mint strengthening shampoo, smooth evenly through damp hair from roots to end. Leave in 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. So this is the hair mask. It's not going to stay that way, so. After that, we have the daily styling cream. So those of you that have more curlier hair, you can use this as a healthier option. So section your hair and apply product to damp or dry hair. Do not rinse. Style hair as desired. For best results, use a daily styling cream for twist out, braid outs, and wash and go styles. So like I said, for the ones who have curlier hair, this would be a good healthier option. I would also like to know your reviews on this product if you have already used it, and if you've been using it for a while. I would also like to know what is your before and afters. Leave a comment below, and just to give me some feedback before I use this product and what am I headed towards. So thank you. We also have in this whole package, there is a strengthening oil. It is for daily use, scalp treatment, and split end care. It is this is all rosemary and mint. So it says to section your hair in 4 parts, exposing the scalp, and apply a small amount of oil to the scalp. Massage oil in with fingers and comb through to ends of hair. Leave in and style as desired. For daily use, you can use a small amount to scalp and comb through the ends. For the split ends, apply oil to ends of hair. Place a plastic bag over the head and leave on for 10 minutes. Rinse and proceed with shampooing. So this is the oil. This is supposed to help improve length retention, invigorates and nourishes hair follicles, conditions dry scalp, and smooth split ends. Last but not least, we do have a hair gel. It is called Rosemary and Mint Strengthening Edge Gel. So for all my colored ladies, for your baby hairs, you can use this for your edges. It is sleek, nourished edges, and now in reach. This nutrient rich formulation not only tames unruly edges, but also provides the hair with intense shine, hydration, and nutrients to support healthy edge growth. This is really interesting. This is sometimes like when I do my edges, I see like it gets really like flaky and like looks like there's dandruff on it, and this is supposed to look sleek, so I would be looking forward to this. So thank you. Like I said, this was a product trending on TikTok. I ordered it and I hope you liked this unboxing and going through the ingredients of the products and how to use them. If you have used this, please link your video under in the comments to kind of give me a pathway of where I'm headed towards. So thank you for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you. Bye-bye.